Hello everyone, my name is Sam Dooley, and in this video I will use the equalize editor to show how to create signs of operation used to indicate subtraction. First, I type Alt-Shift-H, D, and select the symbol reference page, which lists the forms of subtraction I will show in this video. I will cover 5 different forms of subtraction: the usual infix minus sign, the minus or plus sign, the minus and plus sign, the prefix minus sign, and the prefix negative sign. Each sign of operation can be entered from the computer keyboard, from the arithmetic symbol palette, or using Nemeth Braille. I open the Equalize Editor settings page by typing Alt-Shift-H, G, and use the symbol palette's settings to show just the arithmetic palette and to hide other palettes we will not be using here. The usual infix minus sign is entered by typing hyphen on the computer keyboard. I type Control M to begin a math expression, then 2 minus 3 to enter 2 minus 3. After typing 2, I could also press the minus sign button on the quick bar, or the minus sign button from the arithmetic palette. Using Nemeth Braille, I type 456146 to begin a math expression, then .23 to enter the number 2. The Equalize editor supplies the numeric indicator and includes it in the Braille output. Then .36 to enter the minus sign after the 2. The Equalize editor supplies an empty placeholder after the minus sign and indicates a full Braille cell to represent the placeholder. I type .25 to enter the number 3 to complete the expression. Following the rules for Nemeth Braille, the numeric indicator is not needed before the number 3, so it is not included there in the Braille output. I type 456156 to complete the math expression, and the input position moves after the closed Nemeth indicator created earlier as part of the math expression. The minus or plus sign is entered by typing minus plus on the computer keyboard. I type Control M to begin a math expression, then 2 to enter the number 2. When I type minus, the expression becomes 2 minus blank, and the Equalize editor waits for what comes next. When I type plus, the expression changes to 2 minus or plus blank, as the Equalize editor recognizes the sequence minus plus as the minus or plus sign. Visually, the minus or plus sign is written as a minus sign directly over a plus sign. I type 3 to complete the expression 2 minus or plus 3. After typing 2, I could also press the minus or plus sign button from the arithmetic palette. Using Nemeth Braille, I type 456146 to begin a math expression, then 23 to enter the number 2, then .36 to enter the minus sign after the 2, then .346, and the minus sign changes visually to the minus or plus sign, and the Equalize editor produces .36, 346 as the Braille representation of the minus or plus sign. I type .25 to enter the number 3 to complete the expression. minus and plus sign is entered by typing minus followed by Control Alt plus on the computer keyboard. I type Control M to begin a math expression, then 2 to enter the number 2. When I type minus, the expression becomes 2 minus blank, and the equalize editor waits for what comes next. When I type Control Alt plus, the expression changes to 2 minus plus blank, as the equalize editor recognizes this sequence as the minus and plus sign. Visually, the minus and plus sign is written as a minus sign followed by a plus sign. I type 3 to complete the expression 2 minus n plus 3. After typing 2, I could also press the minus and plus sign button from the Arithmetic palette. Using Nemeth Braille, I type 456146 to begin a math expression, then 23 to enter the number 2. Then dots 36 to enter the minus sign after the 2, then dot 5, then dots 346, and the minus sign changes visually to the minus and plus sign, and the equalize editor produces dots 36, 5, 346 as the Braille representation of the minus and plus sign. Note the use of dot 5 to distinguish the minus and plus sign from the minus or plus sign, which does not use dot 5. I type dots 25 to enter the number 3 to complete the expression. Prefix minus sign is entered by typing hyphen on the computer keyboard when there is no preceding expression for it to follow. I type Control M to begin a math expression, then minus 3 to enter minus 3. After typing Control M, I could also press the minus sign button on the quick bar, or the minus sign button on the Arithmetic palette. Using Nemeth Braille, I type 456146 to begin a math expression, then 36 to enter the prefix minus sign, then 25 to enter the number 3. The equalize editor produces dots 36 for the prefix minus sign and supplies the numeric indicator before the number 3. The prefix negative sign is entered by typing Control Alt circumflex followed by hyphen on the computer keyboard. I type Control M to begin a math expression, then Control Alt circumflex, that is Control Alt Shift 6 to initiate the prefix superscript, then minus to indicate the prefix negative sign, followed by 3 to enter negative 3. After typing Control M, I could also press the negative sign button from the Arithmetic palette before typing 3. Using Nemeth Braille, I type 456146 to begin a math expression, then 45 to create an exponent, and I press 36 to enter the minus sign in the exponent. Next I type dot 5, and the equalize editor recognizes the 3-cell sequence for the prefix superscript minus and creates the negative sign expression. I type dots 2, 5 to finish entering -3. The equalize editor supports an additional Braille sequence to enter the negative sign operation. After I type 456,146 to begin a math expression, then 45 to create an exponent, I can first type dot 5 to change the exponent into a pre-superscript before typing dots 3, 6 to create the prefix negative sign expression. As before, I type dots 2, 5 to finish entering -3. And that completes this demonstration for how to enter 5 different forms of subtraction supported by the equalize editor. Please send email or leave a comment if you have any suggestions that would improve the keyboard or Braille entry methods for subtraction forms in the equalize editor. For more information about the equalize editor, please visit the Lake Pines Braille website at lakepinesbraille.com.